Howdy string players. In this video, I'm going to talk about the right hand and how to best use the bow. I touched on this in the violin holding episode, but in this one, we'll take it to the next level and set you up with a couple of cool exercises. To get started, let's hold the bow with our left hand while not touching the bow hairs. With the right hand, pretend you're holding a baseball, ready to throw it just like this. So baseball hand, that goes down 90 degrees left, and the thumb is between the thumb leather and the frog. That's right where that digs in. You can kind of dig in with the nail into the thumb leather. You'll actually notice that my nail here is a little bit longer on the thumb just to make it dig in. So that's where that goes. The index finger is on the metal mesh, down over the stick. The middle finger on the thumb leather and also down over the stick. The ring finger is on the wood and down over the stick. And pinky is on top of the stick. This hold is called a regular violin bow hold or French grip. You'll notice how all my knuckles are bent and that the thumb is bent also. This position actually offers the most amount of flexibility in the right hand, and that is exactly what you need in order to play the violin. The bow is like your paintbrush, so the wider the palette of touch and flexibility, the more beautiful sound you can get. You have the option of using a beginner bow grip, where the thumb goes below the frog and sits below the metal actually, like this. I like to call this grip the sandwich grip, and it's easy to use. However, as you can see, the thumb is sort of less flexible in this scenario. It's more just kind of stuck in place. That means you eventually do want to go to a regular bow hold.